Hello everyone. So today I'm gonna do a self-care video. I think I'm going to start with going for a walk. So I'm gonna start with a walk, and then I'm gonna see my mum a little bit later on. So spending some time with some family would be good. And then I might do some cleaning. Take a bath, do some meditation, and yeah, we'll see how it goes. I'll try and take some snippets of my day and show everyone what I'm doing. Yeah, I'll see you in a minute. Hello again. So I just had a little chat with my mom, which was nice. It was good to catch up with her. Trying to figure out what I'm gonna do next. Probably gonna do some dishes. I don't know, might write in my journal a little bit later on, so that'll be fun. I'm thinking of even donating. I think donating would be a good idea, just to make me feel good about myself. Yeah, I guess we'll see how we go and start some dishes.